While walking her first red carpet in more than 2 years, Jennifer Lawrence looked absolutely dazzling when she stepped out in a gold gown for the Don't Look Up premiere on December 5. Jennifer Lawrence was an absolute vision in Dior for the New York City premiere of her movie, Don't Look Up, on December 5. The actress walked the red carpet in a stunning gold dress, which featured a cape that cascaded down her back. The sparkly ensemble put Jennifer's growing baby bump on display as she attended the star-studded movie premiere. She completed her look with her hair pulled back into a low updo. The Netflix movie, which will be in theaters via a limited release on December 10 before hitting the streaming service on Christmas Eve, stars Jennifer and Leonardo DiCaprio. There is an ensemble cast, which also features Ariana Grande, Jonah Hill, Meryl Streep, Chris Evans, Cate Blanchett and more. Filming for the movie was set to begin in April 2020, with a release later that year, but was delayed due to the coronavirus pandemic. Related gallery. Jennifer Lawrence's best red carpet looks of all time. This is Jennifer's first movie since 2019's Dark Phoenix. While taking a break from her professional career, Jennifer has been focusing on her personal life throughout the past 2 years. In October 2019, she married Cook Maroney, who she had been with for more than a year at the time. Although the two have always been very private about their relationship, they confirmed in September 2021 that they are expecting their first child together. When the baby is born, fans can expect Jennifer to keep the little one out of the spotlight, as well. Every instinct in my body wants to protect their privacy for the rest of our lives, as much as I can, she admitted in a November 2021 interview. I don't want anyone to feel welcome into their existence. And I just feels like that just starts with not including them in this part of my work. Jennifer and Cook have yet to confirm whether they are expecting a baby boy or girl. Despite wanting to keep her baby private, though, Jennifer did add, "If I was at a dinner party and somebody was like, 'Oh my God, you're expecting a baby,' I wouldn't be like, 'God, I can't talk about that. Get away from me, you psycho.'" The actress's due date has not been revealed.